Let's navigate through the Atlantic Ocean using the DFADS. It operates a direct overnight ferry servicing connecting Oslo to Norway, from Norway to Denmark. The journey takes approximately 17.5 hours, sailing down across water bodies of Oslo Fjord, the Skagerrak Sea, that is the strait between Denmark and Norway, and Kattegat Sea, the transitional sea area between Denmark and Sweden that connects the North Sea to the Baltic Sea. The DFADS varies 2 sailings per week, usually departs Oslo at 4:30 p.m. and arrives in Copenhagen at around 10 a.m. the following morning. The route is serviced by comfortable, well-equipped cruise ferries such as the Crown Seaways, often referred to as floating hotels. On board, you will find multiple restaurants, bars, nightclubs, duty-free shopping, kids club, and an optional breakfast buffet. Luggage of up to 50 kg per person for foot passages is required. You can also drive your car directly into the ferry. Cabins often offer accommodations that are available and highly recommendable for the overnight stay, ranging from a budget-friendly price to premium prices. Bookings are usually processed through the standard DFDS platform. Check through their schedules and subscribe to get notifications for discounts and schedules. Enjoy.